इथेही ते चाललं.
बरोबर 200 रुपये देण्यात चालू.
कशी मजा आहे 1 2 3 ओके 5 काय करा मागा
डस्ट टाकले का?
Economics professor of economics. So you know Dr. Bharat Venkate, professor of economics. Dr. Kirti Modak, vice principal. Archana Doshi.
principals.
Yeah, yes. Archana Doshi, professor of English. Professor Shekhar Pathak, he was senior professor, head of the department of commerce. So on behalf of MAS and Garware Bharat Commerce, I am glad to meet you, and first I will offer bouquet, then I will sit.
Important, this is very important activity of our university. We have already passed through this process, so we know it's
After whole day's work,
more than marriage of a daughter.
Respected Professor Dr. Indravardhan Trivedi sir, Chairman NAAC peer team. Respected Dr. Hardeep Singh, Member Coordinator, NAAC peer team. Respected Dr. M. Edwin Gyandas sir, Member NAAC peer team. Very warm welcome from ABS Garware College of Commerce. Once again, good morning sir. So this is the presentation regarding the performance of our college in respect of last 5 years. Though we are celebrating Golden Jubilee as per the NAAC protocol, NAAC norm, I am going to present the performance shown by the college in last 5 years. That means after NAAC assessment in 2010 and 11. First of all, I will tell something sir regarding my parent body, Maharashtra Education Society. Sir, MES was established in 1860 during British era, and founding fathers were Vasudev Balwant Phadke, Vaman Prabhakar Bhave, Lakshman Narahar Indapurkar. Bhave and Indapurkar were the teachers, and Vasudev Balwant Phadke revolutionist, Adya Kranti. They started this great institution. Already we have completed 156 years, having a very great legacy, and it is known for giving value-based education to the masses in the state of Maharashtra. And main aim of Maharashtra Education Society is to take our nation on the path of progress through a holistic development of individuals. And sir, today also we need human capital for our great nation. Presently, Air Marshal Bhushan Gokhale is the president of MES. He has contributed excellently to Indian Air Force during various wars. Our Vice President is Dr. Y.R. Wagmare, well-known professor in nuclear physics, and he was Dean in IIT Kanpur. These are our role models and leaders. They are heading MES. Presently, sir, 45 branches are there under MES, and among that, 7 are higher education institutions, and one of them is Garware College of Commerce. Our MES parent body got very prestigious award during 15 and 16 for Maharashtra government, that is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Samaj Bhushan Award for exemplary service to the cause of education. And this is about MES parent body. Now coming to Garware College of Commerce at a glance. As I said, sir, now we are celebrating Golden Jubilee. It was established in 1967, very old college and renowned college in Pune city, and it is really a leading commerce college in Pune city. It comes under 2F and 12B. In 2011, we got a grade with CGPA of 3.39. Again, it is very encouraging for us that we got Best College Award in 2013-14. In university, sir, in Pune University, 700 colleges are there. Though ours is a single faculty commerce college, competition was tough, but we could achieve Best College Award in 2013-14. Presently, we conduct the undergraduate programs BCom, BBA, BBA Computer Application, BBA International Business. Besides that, we have PG programs, Master of Commerce and Master of Computer Application, and PhD Research Center in Commerce. And many short-term value-added courses we are having in our college in order to bridge the gap between world of work and world of knowledge. We have highly qualified and dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff, and that is the real strength of this college. So there is a perfect synchronization. The aim of MES and core values propounded by NAC and our vision, taking nation on the path of progress through development of the individuals. That is the aim of MES, and in short, core values are same by NAC: national development, global competency, value system, use of technology, excellence. And we create a really competent, industrious, entrepreneurial and socially responsible human beings in this college. That means really we are providing real access, equity and quality to the students' fraternity in this college. Sir, major initiatives after NAC. As per the suggestions given by NAC peer team in 2010, almost all out of 12, 11 suggestions we have implemented. For example, they said, you complete your new commerce building urgently. We have completed the construction of new commerce building as per the suggestion of NAC. Similarly, we have established self-finance library, separate library we have, language laboratory we have established. Research center was one of the important suggestions by NAC. We have started a research center in 2013. As per the NAC suggestion, we have prepared our vision document 2012 and 2020. Many teachers, as per the suggestion, they are engaged in doctoral research, and many teachers have completed doctoral research and major research, minor research. And in last 5 years, there is a huge enhancement in industry linkages for industrial visits, expert lectures, placement, internship. We are getting benefit due to these linkages in last 5 years. As per the suggestion of NAC peer team, we have recruited additional staff in self-finance courses. We have strengthened placement cell, career guidance and competitive examination center. Everywhere we invite the students who have cleared IAS and IPS. As per the suggestion of NAC, we have strengthened the mentoring system at the time of admission, at the time of examination. Our teachers, even our office staff provides all type of guidance to the needy students. All the teachers use information technology in the classrooms for the purpose of delivery, quality delivery. As per the suggestion of NAC peer team, we have shifted reading rooms to the adjacent to the library. We have 2 reading rooms in this building and 1 reading room in self-finance department. Additionally, we have shifted our college office, convenient for the students. This AV hall has been shifted at this place and it has been renovated. Now it is state-of-art AV hall, Swatantraveer Savarkar Sabhagaraha. Renovation has been undertaken in this building as far as computer lab is concerned. As I said, many initiatives have been taken on our own, and all the suggestions, almost all 11 suggestions by NAC out of 12 we have implemented. We have started enrolling international students in our college, BCom and BBA. More than 11 countries students are taking education in this college today.
How many students?
More than 50 students are taking education in various courses, more than 50. Sir, ours is a college which strongly believes in team building and teamwork. Therefore, our administration is having very methodic model. We have local managing committee, we have college advisory committee for the purpose of policy decisions, major decisions regarding development, recruitment, all those things.
The slides are not changed.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
That she should take care.
I have 2 vice principals who are highly qualified and dedicated. They assist me. Our internal quality assurance cell has been taking huge efforts in order to create quality awareness in all departments. We have secretary and coordinator. Dr. Bharat Kankate is coordinator of internal quality assurance cell, and Archana Joshi, professor of English, secretary of internal quality assurance cell. Almost all the parameters we have tried to implement in our college through IQAC. Very proactive cell is there. We have head commerce department, head research center, then research and academic coordinator is appointed in this college. He has to implement all the decisions taken by local managing committee and college advisory committee and principal. We have college examination officer. He is responsible for smooth conduct of college examinations, all college examinations. We have coordinators for BB and BCA, self-finance, because they have different needs. as far as skill development is concerned, mentoring is concerned, then sometimes various types of assistance is required. We have appointed coordinators for self-finance courses. 2 coordinators have been appointed. We have registrar, who is the head of the grantee office, and administrative officer we are having, he is head of self-finance office. This is the only college in Pune city having administrative officer for self-finance courses, and salary is given by MES. Committee system, more than 37 committees are working in various areas in this college. So it shows the participative governance of this college. Then crux of this college is teaching, learning. Very pragmatic approach we adopt. Academic flexibility is there. At BCom level, 7 electives are there. For BBA, 3 electives are there. We prepare academic calendar for the students. Academic calendar is given at the time of admission only. World of work, as I said, we have many industrial collaboration tie-ups and linkages, and we invite professionals and entrepreneurs for giving guidance to the students. Not only that, as per our vision, we try to sensitize the students in cross-cutting issues like human rights, gender, cyber law, etc. We conduct seminars and conferences only on contemporary topics. We assess the needs of the students, advanced learners, slow learners, and what to do. According to that, we conduct remedial teaching, and sometimes we get a grant also for conducting remedial teaching from the UGC and university. Many training programs are conducted for skill development. Nowadays, it has become one of the important aspects. And as per the statement and theory given by Kothari Commission, the future of the nation takes shape in the classrooms only, and we believe in this theory. Classroom activities, classroom programs, classroom interactions are the base and foundation of pragmatic teaching learning system.
You don't have CBCS? Choice based credit system?
Yes, sir.
CBCS, choice based credit system?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Choice based credit system is there, for that is post graduation only.
Not in this.
Still our university has not taken choice based decision for undergraduate, only for postgraduate.
No, what is the policy of the university? They have not started for undergraduate?
As far as my knowledge goes, sir, state government has appointed one committee for whole Maharashtra in order to bring choice based system for undergraduate. Many dynamics are there, and we have to take into confidence the colleges and universities. For whole Maharashtra, they are thinking to bring choice-based credit system for undergraduate, but decision had.
It has not been implemented yet.
Yes, sir. Yeah. But post-graduation, it is implemented. So, in order to reduce the cost of education, we, in the classroom, in the library, in commerce lab, everywhere we use information and communication technology in order to bring quality also. We conduct, sir, many meetings and interactions in order to plan and take the feedback to know the impact of our programs. We display the outcomes of the students on the notice board, on the screens available in the computer lab. What is their result in term and examination, various competitions, even answer sheets are shown to the students in order to correct their performance. Students are there in all the department, they participate in planning and execution in NSS, in NCC, E-Cell, Commerce Lab, everywhere. Students, leaders are there, and they suggest many things. They give many suggestions for the activities. It is happening in Commerce Association, Economics Association, Language Association, E-Cell. Cultural committee is working excellently. So many medals and prizes we have won. Shri Lekha is our college annual, and students write articles. Sports is another strong area in this college. Many medals and prizes our sports persons have won in last 5 years. Sir, image of the college to some extent dependent on the research, what type of research we undertake in the college. So we have started, as per the suggestion of Napier team, research, innovation and consultancy in 2013, and we have research committee, we have research budget, we have 5 guides from this college only, and presently 32 research scholars are working. Our teachers undertake, as I said, minor research projects, and many research workshops are conducted for the research scholars and teachers. Research competitions are also held with the help of some sponsorships. Quest is our journal, and our teachers contribute the research articles. Many of our teachers have presented and published the research articles in national and international journals. 4 to 5 teachers of this college provide educational consultancy to various colleges and schools for quality enhancement. It has become possible for us to provide cutting edge knowledge and most updated knowledge to the students.
How much research budget is provided?
Sir,
Budget, how much research?
How much is the quantum of the research budget?
that figure I will give you. Exactly, I don't have figure. I will give, sir. I will give. Then outreach and extension, one of the important functions of higher education. We are very again strong in outreach and extension program. We have NSS, NCC, Youth Red Cross, Extramural Board, and Nature and Trekking Club, in order to build love and affection for the nature. And we have appointed professor in charge for each department, and financial provision, reasonable financial provision has been made in all areas. Our students engage in visits to NGOs, special camps, blood donation, etc. And NSS, National Service Scheme, our students have done remarkable work in some villages. Out of those works, I must quote here, sir, our students have constructed 34 toilet blocks in Dega village 5 years before starting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. And our students have constructed 3 small bunds in Pet village.
Constructed means, do they have the masonry work?
With the help of a villager, they provide the material, and our students construct the bund in order to conserve the water.
It's a kind of labor donation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Labor donation.
Shramadan we call it. Shramadan.
Samdhan can be constructed would be a
Yeah. With the help of villagers, of course, sir. And in one village in Manjai Asni, our students have constructed again material and assistance and expertise from the villagers. We have constructed outdoor stage in one school during the camps. So our students in NSS, NCC have won many medals. List is there at the time of presentation in those departments. Will come to know, sir. Our young boys and girls are the future India, really, and considering this aspect in mind, we have started online admission. All the admissions are done online. Academic and Career Counseling Center is there. For helping international students, we have Vishwa Bharati Kendra. Vidyarthi Manch is there in order to empower the girl students. So many workshops, seminars, lectures are arranged. We have anti-ragging, anti-sexual harassment and internal complaints and grievance redressal committee in order to solve the problems of the students, and many awareness lectures, workshops, seminars are conducted throughout the year. One of the important aspects is reterm examination. In order to support the students, those who participate in national, international events and they miss the internal examination, term and examination, for them we conduct reterm examination for sports person, cultural and other students. We have strong alumni support for placement and all those things. all the students who are needy of books get book bank facility. One set of books, all the books are given for whole year. They can use those books for whole year. Internship placement sales, two sales are very strong in our college.
Your alumni registered?
Yes, sir.
Alumni is registered?
Alumni is-
It has not been registered. It has not registered.
They have selected not to register.
Yeah.
Eh?
Alumni, they have opted not to register.
Yes.
Why?
Since it is an independent body, we are
Informally, we come together 3-4 times in the year. We come together. We have meetings and take the decision. They support us in many ways. Internships, sometimes expert lectures, industrial visits.
Any
they
tangible,
assist us.
any tangible contribution they have not made? In
As
the
far
form
as
of some buildings or some instruments
yes.
given to the...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Some students have contributed for donation in one of our educational branches in Chipurun. We have College of Ayurveda. They donated some money for the
Yes,
purpose
yes,
of
sir.
surgical
We are
operation.
concerned with this college.
In this college,
Yes.
no.
Okay, next please.
For guidance, e-sale placement, they assist us.
It is very, we cannot,
No.
visible thing should be there.
In terms of physical resources, they are not contributed.
Okay.
Sir, we believe that nothing valuable grows in uncultivated garden. That is why we have Earn and Learn scheme, Students Aid Fund, scholarships, free ships and endowment, installment facility. Many students come from rural areas, farming community. For them we give installment system, 2-3 installment, they can pay their fees. In hostel we have appointed lady doctor, and we have matrons in hostel in order to have some comfort level and protection to these two
Full-time
girl
lady
students.
doctor?
Full-time matrons are there. Full-time matrons, 3 matrons are there.
Lady doctor is full-time?
She is visiting.
How many hours per day she visits?
On every Wednesday, she comes for 3 hours on the campus.
Like
Every
3
Wednesday.
hours per week.
Per week. And remaining days, students can go to her dispensary. It is nearby. Takes 10 minutes only.
At least, are you having any nurse?
No, sir.
No.
We don't have nurse. We don't have nurse.
Don't have any health center for the
We don't
students?
have health center, but we conduct many programs in order to create the awareness. For first year BCom, health checkup is compulsory.
Okay.
First year BB, health checkup is compulsory. Hostel should health checkup is necessary.
Okay, but idea is that how do we tackle the emergencies? That is the idea.
We have nearby Sahyadri Hospital and Sanjeevani. Our teachers, our staff take the students in case of emergency. Very nearby, 2-3 minutes. It requires 2 or 3 minutes.
just opposite to the
And-
college,
yes.
big Sahyadri Super Speciality Hospital.
And we are having good rapport with 2 hospitals, Sanjeevan and Sahyadri. Very good rapport.
So if you are having such a health center, in the sense you can give first aid.
Yeah.
For a nurse, if you appoint a nurse,
Yes.
you can give first aid.
Yes, sir. Presently the system is not there. Important notices, all important notices, the eligibility, admissions, examination are displayed on electronic notice board and website. Even we use SMS package for giving important instructions to the students. Sir, we have eco-friendly campus. We try to save the energy, electricity, minimum use of air conditioners, minimum use of elevators. We use extensively our website, our office is to some extent paperless. So all the important instructions, notices are sent through emails. We have compost fertilizer plant on the campus, and we have biogas plant on the campus. We have tie-up with e-waste management agency. Regularly they come and they pick up all the e-waste. Recently, in the last year, we conducted green audit. So 44% of this area is covered by green coverage. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, all the NSS, NCC students and other teachers and staff also include. They work under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. That is a regular activity. Every week we conduct Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on the campus or off the campus. Sir, these are the physical resources. We have 3 buildings: main building, new commerce building, annex building, main library, library for self-finance courses. We have 3 reading rooms, 3 computer laboratories, accounting, commerce and language laboratory. We have assembly hall. This is AV hall, and additionally we have assembly hall having 450 seats capacity. Almost all classrooms are embedded with LCD projectors. We have 2 seminar halls and 1 state of audio visual hall. This is our Sabhagruha. Girls and boys common rooms are there. Boys and girls hostel is there, and mess facilities provided. Guest rooms are there. Playground, Shakti gymnasium and canteen is there. Staff quarters are provided to principal, rector and assistant rector. CCTV cameras are installed everywhere in all the areas. Generator backup is there, and as sir asked, honorable chairman asked in the beginning, we have Wi-Fi facility in 4 areas to begin with. Sir, many achievements and awards. Some of the achievements and awards and recognition I will present here. Myself, N.S. Umrani, working as the Dean of Commerce Faculty presently in Savitribai Phule Pune University. I am also appointed as Honorable Governor's nominee in Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded for 5 years. Dr. B.S. Vankate, coordinator of NAC. He got Professor G.B. Kulkarni Best Commerce Teacher Award. Dr. Ketki Modak, Geeta Acharya, they received Gunwant Shikshak Puruskar. Sulabha Pathode, she got Mahisab Ambedkar Award. Dr. E.V. Giri, our NCC officer, got Best Teacher Award from Pune Municipal Corporation in September 2011. Or Professor of Mathematics, A. Patil, got Best Research Paper Award by Indian Mathematical Society.
We assume that all these recognition awards are within the 5 years.
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
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 yeah.
yes.
Only 5 years. Only 5 years. Yes, sir. Prachi Jain, in 2013, she stood first in female students in the university, and Prachi got 2 awards in the university, Professor G.B. Kulkarni Prize and Tulpule Prize. One of the students, Hiteshri Paravade of second year BBA, recently she got the Young Indian Researcher Award for her research in wine industry. Tanvi Kulkarni and Shruti Atre.
This
These
research award is by wine industry.
wine industry in Maharashtra.
So why it was given best research award? Some recommendations, some findings of that research.
Yeah.
You
Fine.
please give us all the documents.
Yes, sir. Yes, documents are there. Sure.
And
Sure,
Whatever
sir.
you say, please give us the evidence.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
So it is also there,
It
we
is
will
there.
show it to you, number 1.
Yes.
Number 2, this presentation of research, Hiteshri Paravade, she went there in Delhi.
Yes.
In Delhi there was a competition and she presented her paper, and in Delhi she got the
That all you show us.
yes.
Sir, Tanvi Kulkarni and Shruti Atre, they are working in Marathi serials and cinema, and they got many awards in the state of Maharashtra. Parth Rane, our student from first year BCom, got 5 gold medal recently in inter-college swimming competition, and he also got Best Swimmer Award. Impact of ESL, I can tell you many things, but some startups, minimum 6 startups are there in last 5 years. Kapil Joshi, Akash Sao, Bhagyashree Kale, Vittal Karale, Pundalik Wagh, Shivakumar Kabra, Anupam Joshi, Prajakta Kamble. Some girls, some boys, they have started businesses with the help of our ESL incubation center. Sir, we believe that theory given by David Ogilvy, he has famously said, anyone can create a product, but it takes patience, perseverance, vision and genius to create a brand. We believe in this theory. That's why we have some future plans. We are going to establish research chair in the Department of Research, Innovation and Consultancy with the help of industry and with the help of Maharashtra Education Society. Additional some short-term courses we have planned in this college. And in this college, sir, 53% students are girls, and we are going to take some initiatives to empower the girl students for entrepreneurship. And we are going to take more efforts to garner the alumni support for quality enhancement in all areas. And consultancy, yes, this is our one of the duties as the teachers. We must provide consultancy to the society, and that area we are going to strengthen in coming 2 to 3 years. Sir, I am very much thankful to you all listening to my presentation. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So I have
Questions, please.
Yes, sir.
I have some
Yes.
clarification I need.
Yes, sir.
Do you have student council in this college?
Yes, sir. We have students council is
How
there.
you are electing the student council in
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir.
team?
As per the Maharashtra Universities Act, students are selected on the purpose of merit. Maharashtra Public University Act prescribes that students council must be made up of merit-based students and some nominations from NSS, NCC, nomination from vice principal. 2 to 3 nominations are there, remaining on merit.
Composition of the student council, is it student council chairman or secretary or like that? What are all the composition?
Among all those, they select university representative.
In your college?
Yeah.
I am asking in your college.
Yeah. In my college, students council is there. Members are there on the basis of merit and some nominations. All the 12 representative, they come together and they elect their representative. UR. He's called UR. University representative. He's a link between university, college, and other students.
Okay, then of course you have mentioned you had a financial provision
Yeah.
in this college.
Yes.
How much amount you are having financial provisions for?
Yes, sir.
What are all the activities
Yes, sir.
you are having financial
Yes, sir.
provision?
For example, for NSS, for conducting camps in the villages. So our boys and girls, 50 boys and girls go to village for camping program. Amount is given by the university to the tune of rupees 25,000,
Yes.
and we require minimum 70 to 75,000. Their food, transportation, all those things. So remaining amount of 50,000 is given by Maharashtra Education Society.
Management.
Yeah.
Yeah, how many NSS units you are having in your college? Right now?
NSS 100 students are there.
Yes, how many units? Only one unit.
One.
One
Only
unit.
one.
Then you have pointed out that you are having a alumni association, of course, which is not registered body.
Yeah.
But my question is not question, it's a clarification from you. How many endowment lectures sponsored by the alumni association for the development of the student community?
In our Sri Lanka,
Yes.
list is given in our annual magazine. List is given. More than 20 endowments are there.
More than 20
List is
endowment.
list is
Then,
there in our
okay,
Sri
it's
Lanka.
good. Then finally, you mentioned that you are going to have some additional add-on courses.
Yeah.
Right now you are having some add-on courses. It's
Yes, sir.
good for the student community.
Yes, sir.
But again you are going to have some additional add-on courses. Did you send proposals for the additional add-on courses to the UGC?
Yes, sir. Under
You have submitted
yes,
the...
yes, we have submitted the proposal, and we are waiting for the nod. And on our own also, we can start some add-on courses charging some reasonable fees, tourism, then insurance, then capital market. These are the
All
things.
these add-on courses affiliated with the university, and or the you are issuing the certificate.
Among those,
See, there are two.
Yeah.
There are two possibilities
Yeah.
for doing having such add-on courses.
Hmm.
It's not necessary to affiliated with the university.
Correct, sir.
But then we can affiliate these courses with the university. First year, of course, it will be called as certificate courses. And second year, diploma courses. Third year, advanced diploma courses.
Yeah.
Finally, the university will issue certificate one side provided if the university affiliated approved all these courses. Or it's not necessary, the college can issue certificates as well as diplomas,
Yes.
as well as advanced diploma.
Yes,
How
sir.
many courses you have affiliated with the university,
Yes, sir.
or how many courses you are running on your own?
Yes, sir. Presently, soft skill development program is affiliated to Pune University. Then cyber security, then human right. These are the courses affiliated to university, and remaining all Tally, then Excel, Visual Basic, computer typewriting, internet, NAM course. These are the autonomous. We have started. Syllabus is same of the teachers. We charge some reasonable fees, and we run around those. And for, so as you said, certificate, diploma, for that BVOC, Bachelor of Vocational Course, we have sent proposal
Okay.
to UGC. Again, we are waiting for nod and permission.
So for that only 5 years fund will be given
Yes,
by
sir.
the UGC.
Dr.
Very
Bhukat
good.
is heading for that.
Very good, very nice presentation. Really, I appreciate your
Thank you, sir.
presentation.
Thank you very much.
I'll just add 1-2 points, sir, with your kind permission.
You are IQC chairman also.
Yes.
Yes.
In that we'll have.
Next.
Your
Okay,
answer.
okay, okay.
Yes, you
Done,
are.
done, done.
Sir, one or two things, like it's basically a reaction to what we have observed from your presentation. Like at the very beginning, it was mentioned that we have a vision document,
Yes.
to 2012, 2020 document we have. So how many milestones we have been able to achieve so far in 4 years' time?
To tell sincerely, 70% agenda, 70% programs as per our plan we have completed. Still 4 years are there, and we will try to convert all those dreams in reality.
I hope we need to look at the document itself and then
Yes, sir. It is
those
there.
things which have already been
Yes.
carried out according to that.
Yes, sir. In IQAC presentation, it is there.
Okay. Second thing is like, this is one of the very different things to be observed at the college level, the admission of the PhD scholars. How do we admit these PhD scholars? Because PhD scholars are in university campus, I think, also, and probably some different colleges, I don't know really. Whether the other colleges are also admitting the PhD scholars or not. What is the mode of their admission?
Yeah.
And then according to the UGC guidelines, what about the courseworks and the rest of the things?
All the admissions are done as per the 2010 guidelines given by UGC, and university has given some guidelines. All those guidelines, for example, before registration, candidate has to present the topic. Pre-registration presentation is compulsory.
The idea is that do we admit the PhD candidates along with the candidates at the university level, we conduct a separate test for that's the main issue.
Now, all the candidates are coming from the university setup.
Okay.
Yeah.
The university conducts the test.
There is entrance examination at university.
Okay.
And we have some areas, marketing, business administration, specific areas we are dealing, and students are coming from the university.
And
Selection
how are
process.
the scholars allocated to the college? I mean, as per their choice or it's like
The areas and specialization of the guides. We have 5 guides, and they are experts in marketing and business administration at present. So only those students will come here, marketing and business administration.
full time they are here in the college.
Yeah, teachers are full time.
If you have the scholars,
Students, some are those who are teacher fellowship.
okay.
They are full time. Those who are working, so keeping intact their job, they do their job, and in the afternoon weekly 2-3 times they visit the guide, and specific areas, their research area, research cubicles are there in the college. They sit, they have a dialogue with the
And
guides.
how about the coursework? I mean, coursework is conducted by the university or at the
Coursework is, yes sir, conducted by the university.
And after the coursework, they join here. They
No,
report
in
here.
between, during that research period, they have to complete coursework.
Okay.
Within 2 years, they have to complete coursework.
So they can join within first 2 years any time at university.
Yeah, sir. After 2 years, they can submit their thesis. The condition is that they have to complete a coursework in the university.
So that means college is a recognized research center by the university.
This is recognized research center.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you.
2-3 just observations. Do you have feedback from the students, alumni?
Yes, sir.
It is online or what is the mechanism?
It is online, and physical feedback is taken during the meetings, during the IQAC meetings. Even some surveys, it is available. Survey reports are available in the NAP. Survey we have conducted.
How the students give feedback of their
Yeah,
teachers?
forms, specific format is there. In the classroom, we take the feedback. In the meetings also, we take the feedback. A written format is there, and we take the feedback. It is available in the record room.
You have girls hostel also?
Yes, sir. Boys and girls hostel is there.
So nowadays it is very essential for the lady
Oh.
toilets.
I am also rector of.
No, you have sanitary pads and hand sanitizer.
Yes, sir. Unit is fixed. We can
Now you
see.
will visit that one.
Yes, sir. That unit is there. Plant is there.
No, not what plant. So you have the plant.
Yeah,
It is not workable.
it is working.
But do you charge something from the students? You
Yes, sir.
charge something for that napkin?
No, 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 no. They use their own napkin, but for disposal, some
No,
unit is there.
napkin can also be used. There is a machine you just play.
In college it is there. In college
in
there. We
hostel.
charge.
It is
In the
not-
college we charge. In the hostel they purchase, and for disposal some unit is there.
Hostel more it is needed that you just
Yes.
just have the machine you can get anyway.
Yes.
Good, we will see, all we will see whatever the things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, may I call the IQAC for the presentation?
Yes.
Thank you.
We just wait for our IQC members to settle down. We have invited the IQC members for the presentation.
Yes. First of all, like to introduction. Introduce those members of the IQS.
I am Dr. Ketri Mora, serving as Vice Principal in this college, and I teach Marathi. Morning, sir. I am Dr. Rohini Goti, and I teach law.
You teach law.
Mercantile.
Only mercantile.
Good morning, sir. I am Dr. Ayekar. I teach accountants. I am Dr. Sulumapati. I teach commerce.
Good morning, sir. This is Ramesh Patil. I teach mathematics and statistics. Good morning, sir. I am chartered accountant Subhan Mukhe Patil. So I am teaching accountancy and taxation, and I am also working as a college examination officer.
Good morning, sir. I am Ananda Thosar, Garware College of Commerce, Registrar.
Good morning, sir. I am Dilip Bhave, self-finance officer, administrative officer. Self-finance courses.
Good morning, sir. I am Rakesh Bhave, head clerk, Garwar College of Commerce.
Anand Vere, good morning. I belong to Department of Economics and Banking Finance, also a vice principal. And for the criteria, fourth infrastructure criteria.
Good morning, sir. I am Shekhar Pathak, head of the Department of Commerce. I teach capital market and financial services as well as business finance at PG level, and also I teach income tax at the UG level.
Good morning, sir. I am Dr. Suhas Joshi. I teach marketing management, head of marketing department.
Good
morning, sir. I'm Padma Neni. I teach computer.
Good morning, sir. I'm Mrs. Tanuja Devi. I work for BBA department as a coordinator. My specialization is marketing and HR.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Shani Thakur, College Library.
Good morning, sir. I'm Dr. Vadaskar. I'm teaching costing and business communication.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Shabira Kavadi. I teach accounting related subject to self-financing course.
Nobody is from industry, they are industry and commerce.
Today they have not come.
If they cannot come today, then when they will come?
For this meeting they have not come.
They are supposed to come. Today the alumni.
Sir, they'll be present in the alumni meeting, they'll be present in the ESL presentations.
IQSC, we need alumni, industry people and present student also, one of the representatives.
Sir, because these meetings are in the evening and it's a working day, those people have requested.
This is not the excuse, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
If this particular day they cannot come, then what seriousness and what responsibility they must be having. Industry in Pune, you cannot get any industrialist who can spare time for the college, and you have a very big group.
We have Abhay Mate, chartered accountant, and some other people.
You keep those people who can spare time, then what is the use of the IQSC then? If they cannot spare the time for this very important cell of the UGC. And students, you could not call alumni any
Student is, please call you.
and present student and alumni. Representative of the alumni, not all alumni is not supposed to.
Sir, can I begin?
Yes.
On behalf of the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Garwari College of Commerce, I, Archana Joshi, the Secretary of IQSC, extend a warm welcome to the peer team members. At the outset, I would like you to glance through our composition of IQSC, which consists of administrative staff, management members, external experts, stakeholders including parents representative, alumni representative, students representative, and a whole bunch of teacher representatives
Where is
taking.
university representative?
He is coming, sir. Lunch or meeting he is coming, sir.
They are not telling you. Till the time they are supposed to come. Lunch or meeting, we are not concerned. We are concerned here in IQSC who are the members. At least other than teachers, they should come.
University people are not the industry experts. We are not
We
invited.
university also send.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So many places.
We have teacher representatives in IQSC taking care of different criteria of NAC. Apart from the 7 criteria of NAC, we have other teachers taking care of different duties like website maintenance, admissions, self-finance courses, examinations, and data analysis. Our principal sir often talks about our IQSC as the think tank of GCC because it is here that clear line of action is imparted to the rest of the college through brainstorming, reviews, processes overhauling, and delegation of duties. As a result of such brainstorming, there have been significant changes made in the last 5 years. I would like to here showcase 3 major areas: expansion, research, and student support. It is at IQSC that we had thought about expansion of our new courses and introduction of new courses. 3 new courses have been started in the last 5 years. We had also thought of scaling up our academic endeavors to the international level, and as a result today we have different country students taking education on our campus. At the same time, we have been approached for one academic international tie-up by Douglas College, Vancouver, Canada. The entire tie-up process is still in the pipeline and we are thinking about it. The second point was the research, and we had thought of having our own research center under Pune University. We applied for the same and we have been granted the research center in Commerce. We have named it the DRIC, Department of Research, Innovation and Consultancy. Under DRIC, there has been some significant increase in the research activities of faculty as well as students. Coming to the student support systems, there are very many things that we had designed for student support strengthening. I would like to showcase here just 2: strengthening of placement cell and strengthening of E-cell. Under placement cell, by now we have started having a placement pool so that 4 different colleges in the vicinity have joined hands with us, and we arrange for placement fairs on our campus. Under E-cell, we have tried to increase our activities to the level of having an incubation program of our own, and the result is in the form of 8 startups in the last 5 years from among our alumni of ESIL. Moving on, I would like to talk about the progression that IQAC has had over the second cycle and is now in the third cycle. In the second cycle, our composition of IQAC was around the idea of quality circles, and we had 3 quality circels, one for faculty improvement, one for library and learning resource improvement, and one for administrative staff improvement. Whereas today we have thought and recomposed our IQAC along the idea of 7 criteria of NAAC. In the second cycle, we were in the phase of looking up to quality benchmarks and learning from them about quality enhancement. Whereas in the third cycle, we find ourselves in small but significant ways developing our own quality benchmarks. In the second cycle, we had a decentralized document management system, whereas in the third cycle, we have a centralized e-document management system. In the second cycle, we were non-periodic as regards our self-assessment, while in the third cycle, we have internalized the idea of self-assessment, and now we have periodic annual self-assessments. In the second cycle, we were trying to carve a niche for ourselves in the academic local scenario under Pune University, whereas now we find ourselves trying to tie up at the global academic partners. Though having said that we have gone ahead of the idea of quality circles, we have essentially retained the spirit of the idea of quality circle, so that all our processes are in the circular manner of planning in long-term and short-term terms, then trying to develop processes for execution of the planning, development of system for delegation of the work. The outcome is achieved through number of executive bodies, and once the outcome is there, we try to take feedback from various stakeholders. The results of these feedback go into further planning. There are distinct functions that we have articulated as the functions of IQAC here on campus: the development of quality enhancement plans, the documentation of such plans, acting as the nodal agency for smooth execution of these plans, consistent system improvements and reforms, and periodic quality audits. If we try to think about the first function, this is a 4-phased manner of development of quality enhancement plans. First is identifying and understanding the quality measures of outstanding higher education institutions. In this connection, our IQAC members have had visits to Sri Ram College of Commerce, New Delhi, being the 100% cutoff, famously 100% cutoff college in commerce in India. We have also made visits to St. Joseph College, Bangalore, which inspires us because of its commendable CGPA of 3.60 in its second cycle. We have also tried to take the suggestions from peer educators in commerce by organizing a special seminar of the role of IQAC in commerce higher education institutions. On the other side, we have also had a detailed study, and we have made efforts to comply to the directives of our earlier PT exit report. On the basis of all this, in the third phase, we have had brainstorming over long and short-term quality improvements plans, which has resulted in the fourth phase of development of the quality enhancement master plan, which we call the vision document. Yes, sir?
Ma'am, you visited the 2 very important colleges,
Yes, sir.
India, Delhi and Bangalore. What practices you adopted from those colleges, your college, for the improvement of quality?
So we have tried to adopt from them, our different members, like our librarian tried to get points from how they maintain their library, how they maintain their infrastructure. So because we have all these 7 criterion heads taking care of 7 different criteria, all of them took notes and tried to learn which different practices could be practically implemented at GCC, and we have tried.
That's what I am asking. What are those different things?
So first of all, something like in library.
Of the meeting.
Yes, sir.
You submit as the minutes, but you adopt it in one.
Yes, sir, we will be. We have put it in the display room. We have the proceeding book of IQAC, we would be putting it there. Should I proceed, sir?
Please.
So function 2 is the documentation of quality enhancement plans. The master plan vision document is the macro level work, which we have for the sake of practical execution divided into micro level of annual academic calendars and annual administrative calendars. Vision document, other units like the DRIC, the research center, the placement cell have their own vision documents and quality plans. The third function is acting as the nodal agency for execution of these plans. This is a kind of chain process in which On one side, we have planned and phased development of infrastructure and learning resources. We try to take midterm and term and introspective meetings in order to see whether we are on that path. We try to develop proposals we try to put developmental proposals to various funding agencies like BCUD or UGC. Through all this, we try to develop a strong ecosystem of stakeholders to take our plans ahead. In the fourth phase, there is a consistent system improvement and reforms that we try to do. We have introspective meetings, we try to realign our plans, we try to bring in reforms in the various systems. The result is a strengthening of various systems, and sometimes there is a new system that is developed. And the case in point I would like to put forth here, the development of the API system at Karwari College of Commerce. After the end of our second cycle of NAC, around that time, UGC recommended these API system for senior college teachers. At IQAC, we tried to study all the circulars sent by UGC and the central government. We tried to understand the basic ideology. We tried to develop forms which are consistent with the GCC work culture, and we tried to come up with a design of API pro forma of our own. Time and again, as per the changes in the directives of UGC, we have had realignments done in our API pro forma, and as a result today, for all the last 5 years, we have been having annual API camps in GCC. The outcome of this API new system that we developed in these past 5 years has been an internalization of a system of annual review for teachers' quality improvement. Secondly, it has been a self-motivative process, and there has been a healthy competition among peer educators. Coming to practical terms, it has been useful for teachers applying for promotion under career advancement scheme. The table on the right shows the number of beneficiaries in the last 3 years through this API system for the gas. Could I go ahead, sir? Yes. Coming to the next function, which is the periodic quality audits, we try to take regular quality audits. As I said in the earlier slide, annual API camps is a kind of quality audit for teachers. For office, we have financial audits of different sorts, like statutory audits, the AG audit, government audits of various sorts. We have a system of college advisory committee, and the teachers who are on the verge of completion of their probation and are about to be confirmed, as well as the teachers who apply for promotion under CAS, are made to kind of give presentations in front of these college advisory committee and take stock of the different pedagogical techniques or improvements they have tried to bring in. We also have visits from the affiliating university SPPU for the local inquiry committees for starting of new courses, affiliation, permanent affiliation, etc. That serves as a great quality audit. Recently, we have also had an audit by the Director of Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra on our campus. When we applied for the Best College Award under the affiliating university, that entire process served as a great galvanizing process and a quality audit of all our systems.
How academic audit is made?
So,
Academic audit.
so this API camps that we take serves as the academic audit, because all the teachers are to give supporting documents of
It
whatever.
should be by external agency now,
Okay.
not internal audit. It should be by some experts.
The Best College Award process was also a process in which.
Together different thing, academic audit and the best teacher award, these two are different.
Okay.
The very important role of the IQSNI is the audit, and that too by the external academic audit.
Okay.
How is your API different from that of UGC?
So,
Can it be different in fact?
no, it cannot be different, sir. What has happened is in the first area where you have the teaching pedagogy and other things, the criteria one, you cannot make really changes. But the second area where the curricular and co-curricular and extracurricular activity participation is there, we have tried to design it as per the different units that we have here, and we have tried to assign particular roles to the teachers and then
That's okay,
you know,
that
judge.
is for your internal consumption.
Yeah.
But when you have to submit your API for the max promotion, it has to be the UGC guidelines.
Yes, sir, it has to be. So, it is this conversion of our work culture and interpreting it, reinterpreting it again in the UGC terms, nothing else, sir. So, it is, overall the pattern is, of course, we have to abide by the pattern of UGC. We have simplified it for our sake, so that we are able to take stock of how many marks or how much of score should be given under what head.
At the ease of filling the API.
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes, sir. In the research area, we cannot make any changes, there are set marks. So, but all this we have made
Sir,
easy.
here also, your next says the university representative, one of the,
Is there?
your presentation is the composition of the IQS.
Voice representatives.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you asked. He is called you. University representative. As per the.
You are not informed to attend this meeting.
Yes.
They will give you come, what was the time given to you. As a student, you must be serious and you must abide the time. Till the next.
For any IQAC, the preparation of different reports of AQR and SSR is a major activity. Here at GCC, it is a collective responsibility of all the 7 criteria heads. There is a methodological process of information assimilation and report drafting, as a result of which we have had timely submissions of AQRs and SSR. What has been the impact of IQAC over the work culture of GCC? There has been quality enhancement in all the 7 criteria, and the possibility of any lopsided development has been tried to be eliminated as far as possible. There has been a concrete goal setting through our own vision document. In this 3rd cycle, we have developed an organized methodology for document management system, whereby at the end of every year, we ask all the concerned members to submit their documents to the documentation committee. These are scanned and kept in neat folders, as a result of which by the end of 5 years, we have around 7,000 documents ready at one click. Through all this, we have had an internalization of all the quality decisions we took at the beginning of this journey after the 2nd cycle, and there has been an institutionalization of the quality culture in our college. What are the significant outcomes of all this working pattern? I would like to give put forth that on the basis of the earlier peer team report, we have been able to almost get 90% of compliance, and with your permission, I would like to go into the further details. There were 12 recommendations by the earlier peer team.
We can proceed already.
Okay, sir. Okay. At the same time, we have thought of having our own vision document 12 to 20, 2012 to 2020, and we have had 70% compliance.
Yes, you can skip all these things.
Okay, sir. Could I just tell you the process of self-assessment of our vision document that we have done?
Okay.
So we have had our vision document coined around 5 criteria of governance and leadership, curricular inputs to students, co-curricular and extracurricular inputs to students, human resource development and infrastructural development. We have tried to identify key aspects in each of these criteria, and we have tried to have accomplishment indicators, that is the actual programs which will achieve these key aspects. And if we right now try to take a rough stock of things, we could say that in the area of governance and leadership, we have been able to go up to around 71%. In the area of co-curricular and extracurricular inputs, in the area of curricular inputs to students, we have been able to live up to 76% of our planned things. In the area of co-curricular, extracurricular inputs, it's around 80%. In the area of human resource development, it is around 56%. In the area of infrastructural development, it is around 80%. To put this in the graphical terms, we could have something like this of a graph, and the average would be around 70%, and we are trying to work on the areas which we have found to be lagging behind. So, coming to now the future plans, our major future plans.
Already said, please sit down.
Sir, could I just, so there are certain different things that IQAC has mentioned. Could I just elaborate, please? We have just tried to focus on skill development initiatives, because as our earlier slide shows, we have found ourselves to be lagging behind in the human resource development. So we plan to have skill development initiatives for teachers, administrative staff as well as students. We have thought of strengthening our learning resources. We have thought of resource mobilization for various developmental plans. We have also thought of greater stakeholder involvement through mentoring panels and advisory boards on our various committees. And we have also, last but not the least, thought of creation of an alumni pool for placement, internships and other support to our current students. With that, I come to the end of my presentation. We are very well aware that quality is an ongoing process, and we will have to keep on striving for perfection. Thank you so much, sir.
So yes, student, please tell how many meetings you have attended of the IQSC? 2 or 3 meetings each year. 2 meetings or 3 meetings. You please give us the minutes of the meeting.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the bullets you said, these, that, you give us the documentary evidence that.
Yes, sir. We have the proceeding
Then
books,
did you
sir.
ever analyze the publication of the faculty sometimes in the IQSC? Publication of the faculty in the various journals.
Yes, sir.
Did you ever analyze that one?
That is like, I was also going to ask this question,
Yes,
since
sir.
we have a research center established in the college itself, and we are in the 3rd cycle already.
Yes, sir.
So we are moving away from quality assurance to quality improvement.
Yes, sir.
Do we have any tangible measurement of improvement in research output?
Dr.
Sir.
Saurabh Doshi, sir, I
Yes.
think you would be the right person to answer.
Sir, I would like to present few aspects which could be considered as the second cycle of accreditation and third cycle of accreditation. We could say that basically I would like to mention about the research culture in our college, how there has been improvement, and then I would like to mention regarding the research center. Sir, in the second cycle of the accreditation, there were 7 members who were having the PhD as the highest qualification, and now in the third cycle at present we are having 15. As far as the second cycle was concerned, the number of PhD scholars was merely 5, and now it has been 8.
I am very specifically asking how many research publications in the refereed journals or impact factor?
Yes.
Have we calculated the act indices and
impact factor have been mentioned.
Citation index,
Yes,
file index. How many faculty members are having account in the Google Scholar?
Any faculty member published paper in Economic and Political Weekly? Any member of this faculty? EPW.
Sir, EPW is not there, but impact factor I could mention. There are 11 faculty members whose research
I am
members
just telling the name first to answer that question. Then you take. Decision, Vikal, any faculty members published any paper in these journals? Then now you take.
11 faculty members have published their research papers in peer-reviewed journals with higher impact factor, and the range has been 0.294 to 6.78.
Name, we know journal particularly. You tell about commerce and management, tell about the science, you will tell. Which journals you have published the papers?
Yes, I will mention, sir. It is International Journal of Management and Social Science Research Review. It is having the impact factor 3.029.
Forget about that.
Then International Journal of International Journal of Business and Administrative Research Review. It is also having the impact factor 3.072.
Is it an online journal or?
These are all.
There is one e-journal and 2 are.
They are not up to the mark.
Then there is international.
All international.
All international.
No national. All international.
No, there are national also, sir. But you asked about impact factor. That's why I'm mentioning
impact factor. I know in commerce at least. These are all having any impact factor nowadays in the international. Yojana even chaliye for Kurukshetra. You tell any publication. Yojana Kurukshetra. These are the very, you can say that very, not very popular. Even that also any Indian Journal of Commerce.
Indian Journal of Marketing.
I am having.
Indian Journal of Finance.
I am having.
Indian Journal of Commerce. Any paper published by any faculty.
So we are having Researchers World International Journal of Multifaceted and Multilingual Studies, International.
Need to submit, we'll see. But whatever I am telling, any journal, specific question you ask.
Even Indian Journal of Marketing.
Productivity.
Finance. See how many journals recognized by the university in commerce? Do you have the list of journals recognized by the university? Because UGC has given guidance to the UGC to choose some of the journals as recognized in various disciplines. So how many journals they have chosen or how many journals they have recognized by the university in commerce?
Around 70 journals are there, list is there. Around 70.
IQSC must have taken the decision that any faculty member who will publish article in EPW or whatever the names I have taken, 5,000 or 10,000 rupees, some motivational award would be given on 15th August or 27th. This used to be the role of the IQSC. Friends, what you have suggested in the IQSC as a student, Have you suggested anything? No, they just simply are attending the meeting. For the students, quality enhancement class suggestion is given. But you will answer to the students, but you have played your role in the IQS.
As a student representative.
That's all, sitting in the room. How many times you came? Only once or two? How many times industry people attended this meeting?
So we have industry people attending the meeting twice up till now, and
Please give us the
in the-
periods in which he might have
Yes.
suggested certain things.
Yes, sir.
Can you show me just now?
So they are kept in the display
asked-
room.
you asked
I'll
me to
arrange
bring
for that.
Yes, you asked
immediately.
what he has suggested. Would you
Yes,
like to
sir.
see? Did you have any academic industry interface?
We have, and things are still in the pipeline. We have visited L&T company for understanding the recent trends in
I think
XBRL.
you do not understand my meaning. Visiting the industry doesn't mean industry academic interface.
We are coming to the campus and giving the guidance to the student. We are we have set up with the training.
Any add-on course started on the advice of the industry people?
Yes.
It is in the pipeline, not
5
started
years,
yet.
sorry, we are not concerned because we have come only for the 5 years which we have done.
Yeah.
It is not under our review or our
Yes.
power, our reference.
Then you have mentioned about some global tie-up. How many global tie-ups you have made for the last?
Only one in Douglas College for double degree BBA, and we are waiting for the nod from the UGC, just as during my presentation. Only one Douglas College, Canada for BBA.
Then do you have any publication from the ITSC relating to the activities of the college? Do you have separate publications of ITSC?
We conduct one seminar, one
ITSC
publication is there.
newsletter.
Only on IQAC, one publication is there. It is available in the NAC record room, sir. We will
So
show
my
the
suggestion is, you must have at least 2 publications. That is, a publication in the sense IPSC newsletter. IPSC newsletter where you can publish the activities of the faculty members as well as staff, the students. So that at the end of the academic year, the principal need not ask the departments to submit the entire activities of the department. When he goes through this newsletter, he can prepare the principal's report at the end of the academic.
We have one publication on role of IQAC, and all the research articles are published in that publication. It is there.
May I request you, whatever it is very bullet, it looks very nice, but it should be always with the consistent with the what you have taken result in the meeting.
See, how many faculty members are having account in the Google or ResearchGate? So many things we are having globally, actually.
I am
How-
having account on ResearchGate.
ResearchGate.
And I have published 2 papers are accepted in the journal Mathematica Slovata,
Okay.
which is online available, and the journal Asian European Journal of Mathematics.
What is your score in the ResearchGate? What is your score?
H index shows it is 4.
Which index?
H index.
In the ResearchGate.
In the
RG score is 4.
RG score.
RG is 4.0.
4. The Asian European Journal of Mathematics is published by the World Scientific.
That's good. That's good.
Any question?
Sir, about that St. Joseph's College and this SRCC, there are a number of things which you have done, but just to mention here, 1 point each I would like to tell. One, as far as St. Sriram College of Commerce is concerned, they do have good placement activity. So we have designed and we have implemented in such a way that recently, since last 2 years, we are conducting the placement pool. So it is giving an edge to us. That's one, and they do have good library system in SRCC. So yeah, we will. So
You
we
note
have
down
started
and you
with.
please submit all the
I have noted it down everything, and digital library we have begun, and we can go during the visit there also. And as far as St. Joseph's College, Bangalore is concerned, they do have fantastic computer management system about examination, about everything. So as a first step, we have gone for the e-documentation system, which we have just shown, and around, as I said in the evening, around 7,500 documents already they are in the digitized format. We have gone ahead with personal files into digital format, service book into the digital format. So we have begun slowly, but firmly we are going to.
Education policy invited some teachers for evaluation and paper studies. 2-3 members of this college have set the paper for the team of degree course. They are in the evaluation process of that course.
It is the compulsion of the university nowadays. It is not rigid now. Publication is possible.
How many faculty? Actually, how many faculty?
Publications will tell about it.
How many faculty members are in the board of studies of the university?
5 faculty members, 3 members are there on the board of studies.
Board of
Again, all document evidence you
Yeah,
place.
it is there.
This subject
Dr. Zagade is there on accountancy.
is not.
Taxation, special accountant.
You are in the board of studies.
Now, sir, as far as the university norms are concerned, the board of studies is not in exist. Yeah. Now the upcoming elections are there. The elections are pending.
Public University Act is in making now. So ad hoc boards are there presently in the university.
What?
Public University Act is in making. So committee is sitting. Within 3 to 4
But
months.
there is no boss.
The previous act, the Maharashtra University.
All the temporary
how
boards
they
are
prepare the
appointed.
curriculum?
Temporary boards are there now. Now temporary boards are
Until
there.
there nobody is here. Nobody in the temporary board also.
Yeah. Now nobody is there. And myself is there. Teachers are not there.
No other teacher in this board of studies.
Not present. Not present.
So the thing is that, as Principal Sir has said, here in Maharashtra, as per Maharashtra University Act, the Act itself makes provisions for the elections of Board of Studies also. So in some states, there is no need for the Board of Studies. Elections are not required. But here the elections are required.
Whatever it is the act, whatever it is the provision, we are not concerned
Yeah.
how
So since the bill is pending there, new Board of Studies are not formed yet.
previous
In
whatever
earlier-
it is.
The question is, we are not
We
asking
are
about
talking
the
of a period of 5 years.
three things.
Three people
Previously, we have a syllabus, we have a curriculum for the undergraduate as well as postgraduate. How the university prepared all these curriculum? Only with the help of Board of Studies. Our question is, how many members were served in the Board of Studies of the
Last 5 years.
Last
probably.
5 years.
Not now, probably last 5
For
years.
example, he is the nominee in the Nanded school. Somebody was the member is that we want.
Three members were participated in Board of Studies. Dr. Zagade, Professor Chartered Accountant Patil and myself.
Last 5 years.
I have set up the vocational.
Any suggestions on geometry teachers?
syllabus.
Eh?
For the, I was in a committee of setting a syllabus for FY for vocational course in commerce.
We both have classes failed in the country.
Since you are chairman of board of studies, how frequently we change this syllabus here? What percentage of syllabus?
Normally 3 to 4 years. That is the practice.
And what percentage of syllabus has changed over the last 5 years?
20 to 30%. As per UGC guidelines, 70% syllabus we have to adopt as per the guidelines for the university. And liberties for 20 to 30%. Considering the local
university or
needs,
the college?
local needs. we
To
have
the affiliated colleges.
University, no. University can
Okay,
change
can't
the syllabus.
Uh,
University.
Affiliated university, 20 to 30% can change.
They can even the comma.
Yeah.
Yes.
Affiliated colleges have to follow.
So we are lagging behind 1 hour, so now commerce
Yeah. Yes, sir.
presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good.
Thank you very much.
Sir, we can take break for 5 minutes. We can go to the students.
Oh, I thought you go.
And then
But
we can
commerce.
come back and we'll
This is
start.
last presentation.
Yeah, commerce will be the last
Then we
presentation.
go to the
Visits,
IQAC.
visits,
Hmm.
visits to different locations.
No, your visit to library after that.
Yeah.
But I think the visit to library and the IQAC.
IQAC.
Here you are not mentioned.